Hello everyone. The topic which we'll be covering today is basic machining. This topic comes under first year machine shop with the occupational code MAC 807. So the machine which we'll be working on is center lathe machine. So this machine will be using during the first year semester. All the projects will be carried out on center lathe machine. So the main parts which we are concerned in center lathe machine are: first is chuck. This part is called chuck. This is used to hold the workpiece. Next part is tool post. This is used to hold the tool which will perform the cutting operation. Next is carriage. This is used for horizontal movement along the bed. If we want to move horizontally in this direction, we will use carriage. Cross slide. This is for perpendicular movement along the bed. So carriage is basically used during turning operation, and cross slide it is useful in facing operation. So we'll see each part one by one. So this is how a tool post look like. Tool post is used to hold the tool. You can see this keys. So here we will place the tool and tighten it with this nut. So the tool will be tightened in the tool post. So this is how a tool post look like. Three jaw chuck. So it has three jaw. One, it has three jaw. One, two, and three. So basically this is used to hold the workpiece. See, this is the workpiece which is held between these three jaw. This is the chuck key. So this chuck key we will put it here, and using this we can tighten it or loose it depending on the size of the workpiece. So if the workpiece is big, we need to loose it a little bit. If the workpiece is small, we need to tighten a little bit. So this three jaw chuck is used to hold the workpiece. This is a carriage. So this is for horizontal movement along the bed. This is used for horizontal movement along the bed. This is a cross slide. See, this is how a cross slide look like. So when we rotate this cross slide, the tool will move in perpendicular direction. In this direction, the tool will move. So cross slide is used for perpendicular motion. Carriage is used for longitudinal motion or horizontal motion. So this is the two main operation which we'll be doing in center lathe machines are facing and turning. And the third one which we'll do is chamfering. So first operation is facing. Now what is exactly facing? Now facing is removing metal along the faces. Okay, we will remove the metal along the face. This operation is used to reduce the length. This is the length. So slowly machining along the face, we will remove the material and reduce the length. So the part which is used to perform facing operation is cross slide. When we rotate the cross slide, the tool will move in perpendicular direction and remove the material along its motion. So facing is used to reduce the length. So this is how we perform a facing operation. See here, we will rotate the cross slide. Due to this rotation of cross slide, the tool will move in perpendicular direction. So while moving, it will remove the material and reduce the length. Straight turning. Now turning operation is used to reduce the diameter. So you can see the difference in the diameter. So to obtain this diameter from this diameter, we will use turning operation. The part which will be using for turning operation is carriage, because carriage will provide us the horizontal motion. So when the tool will move horizontally, it will remove the metal along its path, okay, reducing the diameter. So straight turning is used for reducing the diameter. So here we'll have to move carriage in this direction. Using the carriage, we'll move this in this direction, and while moving in this direction, the tool will perform the machining and remove the material. Last operation is chamfering. Chamfering is providing a taper along its edge. If we need a slight taper along the edges so that the edges do not remain sharp, we will perform chamfering operation. Here we will not perform the machining at the tip. Here we will perform the machining along the side. We will just bring the side of the tool near the edge of the workpiece, which will give it a slight taper to perform chamfering operation. So the operation which will perform in basic machining are facing to reducing the length, turning to reducing the diameter, and chamfering to providing a taper along the edge. The four important parts are chuck to hold the workpiece, tool post to hold the tool, carriage to perform horizontal motion for turning operation, cross slide to perform perpendicular motion for facing operation. So this is how we'll keep the tool. We'll just bring its side near the edges to perform chamfering operation. So this is all for it. If you have any question, you can message to your respective teacher.